Welcome. In front of me is a RUGGEAR RG850, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from the SIM to the device. So to begin, you want to open up your contacts app, which is right here, right in the middle, at least for me. And once you open it up, tap on the bars right here and go into the settings. At the bottom, you'll find import and block numbers. Now, if you are logged into Google, you have an added account, you'll also see an export option, but for this purpose, we're only interested in importing. So let's tap on that. And from here, you have two options, either from a VCF file or SIM card. Now, VCF file you'd have to first create to actually access it, but then you can actually email it to yourself and download it. It's a fairly handy thing. Or you can also get it from your SIM card. So let's just tap on the SIM card, which this will be the purpose of this. And here you can see all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. Now you can either continue to have them all checked or deselect certain ones that you don't want. Keep only one if you wish. Just choose how many, whichever contacts you like. And once you're satisfied, all you need to do is tap on the check mark right here, and you can see one SIM contact imported. So if you go back, there should be only one as it is. So that is how you would import contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.